So, as you guys have heard, here at CrossFit Total Control and CrossFit Total Control West, this coming Monday, May 14th, we're going to start a 30-day challenge, our hashtag Salad Everyday Challenge, where you are tasked with eating a salad every day with healthy leafy greens, 4 different kinds of vegetables, and then 1 lean protein source. So, Lauren, what are some of the benefits that someone can get from eating a salad every day?
Well, one, because of all the vegetables and especially that nice base of leafy greens, you're getting a lot of antioxidants, so talk about food quality there. But you're also getting some really great fiber that is associated with longevity and kind of feeling full. And especially for your athletes here, if you are trying to change your body composition, vegetables are a really great way to get in a lot of fiber and water. That's going to make you feel full as you're in that calorie restriction area.
Okay, got it. So, Lauren, say I don't really like eating salads, can I just take a multivitamin and have it be the same thing and get all my vitamins and minerals from that?
That's definitely what the supplement industry would want you to think,
Okay.
right? So there is a place and a purpose for supplements. However, I always like to promote food first.
Okay.
Even the American Cancer Society came out with a statement of how, the vitamins and minerals we get from supplements, yes, they can be beneficial, but there's something about eating food that kind of affects our metabolism and kind of how we absorb them differently. So I really like to promote having food first and trying to get as much as we can through real food compared to just taking a supplement.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So what are some strategies as far as how to make a salad healthy? What goes into a good salad?
So the first is the base of the salad. So those are your leafy greens if you can. If you're really a lettuce eater, I know some people like that romaine, but be careful for the E. coli.
Yeah.
We try to maybe do half and half, maybe half of that lighter lettuce and then half of like a dark leafy green. So we're getting a little bit more nutrition with that dark color there. So that's a really big base for your salad. You want to put enough on there for a good foundation. Then after that, kind of focusing on the vegetables. So what I love that this challenge includes is the four vegetables, but feel free to do even more. If you feel like you need a little bit more, you had a hard training session, that way we can bulk up that salad a little bit. Then after that, choosing the lean protein sources. So if you're a vegetarian, maybe going for the beans. If you eat eggs, for those meat eaters, whether that's fish, chicken, ground turkey, do like more of a taco salad. Those are really great options for you.
Okay. What about salad dressings?
Ooh. So dependent on your goals, salad dressing, especially for changing body composition, can be a little point of concern, right? When I think of olive oil, extremely heart healthy, anti-inflammatory, and something I love to include in my dishes. However, if you are being kind of lenient with how much you're putting on, 2 tablespoons is 180 calories. So just something to kind of keep in mind about that we don't want to overconsume just with having the dressing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you're trying to maybe get in a lot of calories, olive oil is a good option.
Yes.
But if you're trying to lose weight, probably not the best option.
Exactly, yes. Even things, often with my clients, I recommend even using hummus as sort of like a dressing.
Okay.
Hope hummus is more of like a thin hummus that they have at Publix now, and even things like Sauber hummus is a really great option. And then you get a lot more flavor, depending if it has like a red roasted pepper or garlic type of seasoning in it.
Okay. What kind of vegetables are the best to put on your salad?
Yeah. Ooh. So I love the non-starchy vegetables, just so we can really bulk up that salad once again and get a lot of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and also water. However, dependent on your goals, I do like including sometimes some starchy vegetables, and that's just to really make you feel satiated and full, and also provide you a little bit more energy in your salad.
Okay. What about ways to, like we already talked about olive oil, but say you don't want to drown your salad in olive oil, and you're a larger guy and you want to, get some calories in your salad. What's a good way to add some calories?
Yeah. So maybe do a half to a cup of any sort of starchy grain. So whether that's whole wheat pasta, quinoa, farro is delicious and very like a nutty flavor. Or even things like couscous. Those are great ways to add some starches very quickly. But also think about fat. So fat is 9 calories per gram, where carbohydrates and proteins are 4 calories per gram. So to get a lot of bang for your buck, adding a lot of fat sources like avocado, like nuts, seeds, pulses, those are great options.
Okay, great. Okay, did you have anything else to add? Any other recommendations for a good healthy salad?
Yeah. Something I love to do personally when I'm making a salad is adding some nuts and some berries on top. It's a great way to just kind of boost that antioxidant profile of the salad, and it tastes delicious. So that's a really great way to just kind of boost up your salad and make it a little bit healthier.
Okay, great. When's the best time to eat a salad?
Ooh. So I know we love having breakfast as like the eggs, and dinner has to be this big meal, right? So we often have salads at lunchtime, and I think that's a great idea. However, you can really have a salad whenever you want. So whether if you really like salads, you could have for breakfast, and that completely won't be a problem at all. But I do recommend probably having it at a time when you think you're gonna really reap the benefits and enjoy it the most.
Okay. What about going out to eat?
Ooh,
And
yes.
and having a salad. What are some things to look out for? What are some things to like? Do you have any like hacks for going out to eat?
So when you're going out to eat, we think about portion sizes, right? And so just because you're ordering a salad doesn't inherently make it healthy, right? Sometimes a salad could have a ton of sodium on it, mixed in with whatever it is, and then also with those salad dressings, it can add up quickly. So little things you can do when going out to eat is, if you think it is too big of a portion for you, then you can always half the portion down and take the rest of it home. You never have to finish your plate. Or you could also get your salad dressing on the side, or make even substitutions. You can always ask the waitress or hostess or whoever, and kind of say, hey, instead of having this protein source, I'd love to get some grilled chicken or some ground turkey or something else like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, those are all great tips, and we really appreciate you coming out. How can people get in touch with you guys at Dietitians of Palm Valley?
Yeah, so we're available online. You can check us out on our Instagram and on Facebook, and our website is www.dietitiansofpalmvalley.com. My name is Lauren, and we have 3 other dietitians that work at our practice. If you'd like to kind of schedule a consult or kind of ask some information, feel free to comment on this video, reach out to any of us. And then also our telephone number is 904-250-0075.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming in. It was
course.
awesome talking with you guys,
Good luck.
and I'll see your salads next week, guys.
Yeah, let's see it.